Let your creativity run wild with our brand spanking new Mosaic Coaster Mold. Use resin mixed with mica, inks, or glitter to fill the mosaic tile areas, then add a color for the back and sides, demold, add your top coat, and you're done. It doesn't get any easier than this to create a unique resin coaster. As you see, I've chosen to use 4 different colored mica powders, a blue, a pink, a purple, and a green. I mixed up a lot more than I needed. You really only need 1.2 to 1.25 ounces to fill the window pane areas or the mosaic tile areas. As you see, there's my little cheat sheet because I didn't want the colors sitting next to each other. I'm using a pipette to get it into the little areas. The side walls are high enough to keep the colors from not touching each other as long as you don't overfill it. You basically need about 0.30 ounces for each color when using mica. Those colors are looking pretty bright already. The finished mold ends up being, I think, 4.60 ounces wide by 0.4 something high, so it is a substantial size as a finished piece, not just a thin resin coaster in the end. So my 3 colors are in, using a new pipette for each one. And I do have to cut the bottoms off the pipette because they're so tiny you need a little bit of room for the resin to flow through it, especially when using mica powder. Once that resin is dried, I decided to use silver mica for the back and sides of my piece. You only need about 1.7 ounces to fill the back and sides. I pulled away from the edges a little bit just to make sure the resin got all the way down to the front of the piece. Adding a little bit more just to make sure it was level. Once that resin is cured, you demold the piece. Wow, those colors look great. There's a sidewall there to make top coating easy. I used 1.25 ounces of clear resin for the top coat. Just poured it around all the little mosaic areas and up to the side without overflowing. This makes top coating a breeze. Once your top coat is cleared, you have your finished product, which we think looks great. Let us know what you think in the comments below.